How to use CapCut. New to CapCut, let's walk through the basics so you can edit videos like a pro. So step 1, go ahead and open up CapCut and then start a new project. So you can go ahead and import clips by clicking on this import button. It should basically find at the top left of your screen. And then from here, go ahead and import the clip that you want to edit. So for example, this clip. So I'll simply click on this and then drag it to your canvas. So use the basic tools such as the trim or split clips, adjust speed for slow motion or fast cuts. So you can go ahead and adjust this by heading over to speed at the top left of your screen and then dragging this to left or right to be able to make it slower or faster. And even reverse clips for creative effects. So to do that, what you can do is to use the reverse tool. You can add tags or stickers. So to do that, simply click on tags at the top left and then drag this to your canvas. And then you can go ahead and edit the content of this text. So you can go ahead and edit it into this section. So for this text, you can go ahead and edit the pattern, case, color, the character size, the alignment, the preset style, and the scale of the text. You can go ahead and apply filters and effects. So to do that, click on your video, head over to effects or filters if you want to use that, and then go ahead and select the effect you want to use for this video, and it would then be applied to your video. You can choose from CapCut's free library or upload your own sync beats with video cuts for engagement. Export your video once you're done, and that's it. CapCut is beginner friendly yet powerful for short form and professional edits.